or any of your family members experience burning sensation or a sharp shooting pain under your foot, specifically in the heel region? If yes, then this video is especially for you. I am here to introduce to you Dr. Pascal, an orthopedic foot and ankle surgeon who is going to solve our doubts and help you fix the problem.
Today I'm here to speak to you about heel pain. It's a really common symptom which we see in our clinic on almost a daily basis. So the most common cause what we have is something known as plantar fasciitis. So plantar fasciitis is basically a pain which you feel in the heel, which is worse early morning, especially after you wake up from the bed. It's really difficult to put your foot down, and the pain gradually gets better as you walk after a few steps. So basically plantar fasciitis is an overuse injury or rarely due to improper footwear. So what is the plantar fascia? The plantar fascia is a nice tough structure which joins your heel to your toes, right? So normally we don't see it and it doesn't stand out. But if we just relax the muscle like that and we pull the toes up, we can see the plantar fascia which stands out over here. It's a tough cord-like structure. This structure is attached to your heel bone, and this is usually the site of pain for plantar fasciitis. So what happens in plantar fascia? You've got a tight plantar fascia over here, and at the same time you've got a tight calf muscle which keeps pulling the heel backwards. So the heel pulls it backwards and the plantar fascia comes forward. This results in small tears which gives you the pain over here. So how do you diagnose plantar fasciitis? Well, first of all, when you go to visit your orthopedic surgeon, he or she will examine you. They might ask for an X-ray and they might give you some amount of medications. But in my experience, what I feel the best amount of results can be got by simple exercises which you have to do. These exercises have to be done daily, and with some amount of modification of your footwear, the pain should go away within a couple of days. However, what you have to keep in mind is that these exercises have to be done religiously.
As we've already heard from our expert, Dr. Pascal, the importance of exercises, I'm going to demonstrate few of these exercises for you.
This exercise should be performed early morning before you leave the bed. Make sure you rest your back. Your knees should be straight. Take a towel, place it below your toes. Pull the towel towards you till you feel a good stretch. Hold for 30 seconds. Relax. Repeat 3 times. Now to stretch the toes, fold the towel in the same manner and again pull it towards yourself. 30 second stretch, repeat 3 times. Standing calf stretch. Stand with one hand distance away from the wall. Now place your affected leg behind your unaffected leg. Slowly bend your unaffected knee towards the wall. Make sure your affected leg's heel touches the floor to feel a good stretch. Hold for 30 seconds. Repeat 3 times. For the next technique, all you need is a tennis ball and a frozen bottle. In sitting position, place the tennis ball under your heel. Roll it right up to your arch till your great toe. Now, if the site of pain is the heel region, roll it in the same region. Or if it's toe, do it in the same manner. Now, all you need is a frozen bottle of water. This can be performed in standing position so that more force can be applied. Roll it in the same manner. Now, this technique helps to reduce inflammation, increases your blood circulation to your soft tissue and increases its flexibility, thus reducing pain.
A patient might require a local steroid injection or a PRP injection. and extremely rare, the patient might require surgery. So what we need to take away from this is that plantar fasciitis is seen in people who stand for a long amount of time and who generally overexert. And what we have to keep in mind is that the treatment can be simple stretching exercises as described by the physiotherapist. Thanks and take care.